The fully contained flooded backfill concept began with the combined efforts of the Iowa Department of Transportation and Iowa State University. IDOT and ISU conducted research looking into the settlement problems occurring at bridge approaches. This area is commonly felt by motorists as a dip or roughness in the pavement just before driving across the bridge.
Early on, in both the research that Iowa State University did and also lab work that our folks did, we determined that our granular backfill specification, the amount of fines, was not really a good drainable material, and we considered that to be a significant problem. So through some lab trials using reduction of fines passing number 200 sieve, we determined that for a good drainable material for this kind of application, we needed to have 4% or less fines passing 200.
The process is fairly simple. It consists of shaping the subgrade 4% away from the back of the abutment wall to keep water away from the footing, and 2% in the direction of the subdrain. Once the subgrade shaping is complete, a geotextile is placed over it and against the abutment wall. The geotextile becomes the containment for all the backfill materials. A flexible subdrain pipe is then installed at the toe of the excavation with 2 feet of porous backfill added to level the area. Finally, porous sand is placed on top of the gravel in 2-foot lifts, then flooded with water, beginning at the downward slope and proceeding upward. The key to this process is the permeability of the sand. The faster the water is able to flow into the drainage layer and out the subdrain, the better the consolidation of the materials.
We found that we get good water flow. The water doesn't stay in the granular very long. It goes to the porous in the subdrain and drains out. So it's very effective in drawing that sand down and getting that consolidation that we're looking for.
Not only does this method improve consolidation, it also saves time. Once the site and materials are prepped, the process moves relatively fast. The fully contained flooded backfill system provides a fast and effective way to minimize settlement and improve the ride quality for motorists.